Hello, everybody. I am looking forward to introducing to you what your project's going to look like. This is the instructions and the rubric, and this will be in Google Classroom. So it breaks down all three of Newton's laws, and then it tells you exactly what you're going to do. We're only going to do option B, and option B is going to be to create a PowerPoint or a Google slide. Either one is fine. It says PowerPoint, but you can do a Google slide. That is more than fine. So we're going to roll this out into sections. So at the end of the week, you have section 1 due, and I'll tell you what that'll consist of in just a second. And I will grade them and look at them and then give you feedback and then send it back to you Sunday evening or Monday morning. And then you can continue to do section 2. Okay, so it's going to be a Google slide or a PowerPoint. Either one is fine. When you complete it, you will submit it through Google Classroom. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to state the law as it's written in your textbook. I also do not mind if you state the law as it is written in the bullets above on page 1. Either one is fine. What I don't want, and for this only, is for you to paraphrase Newton's laws. Okay, so you need to put a textbook definition for the laws. Everything else for the whole PowerPoint or Google slide will need to be in your own words and not copied and pasted, not found on the internet, but put in your own words. So for each law, there's 3. For each law, you will need to include 2 pictures or 2 videos or 1 picture and 1 video, but you need 2 examples of each law. And after you do the example of each law, you need to write a paragraph describing how that picture or video represents which law you're trying to represent. Okay? Here is the only caveat. You may not pick a picture or a video that like draws arrows and says, this is Newton's law, this is why. Or this video represents Newton's law, and it like may pause and it'll say, because blank. You need to pick a video. There are millions of examples. If you pick sports or something like that, you can easily find examples of Newton's laws that aren't already labeled.